Hi everyone, it's Michelle from Country Morning Creations. I am here with a baby album that I have made. My newest grandchild, that would be number 3, was born back on June 15th, and I finally got this album finished. And what I'm using is a kit from My Porch Prints. Stephanie asked me to be on her design team years and years ago. I still occasionally do design team things for her. I already had this baby kit. I'd made another one for someone else and really wanted to use this kit again for my new grandson. I did send them a camera printer, so one of those small printers just like this one. I sent them one of these, and these are great, and what's really wonderful is they're stickers, so it makes life super easy. You print out the picture, you put the sticker in the book, maybe write a couple of things. This even comes with a set of stickers that have all kinds of different things on them and a set of tabs to include as well. And these are actually stickers that have been cut out. So those are just peel and stick as well. So probably one of the easiest baby albums to keep up with that at least I could come up with. So let's take a look at it. I used a manila file folder and did 3 signatures, so it's not a hard-sided book. On the back I used this blue sari silk underneath the white lace. It's not perfectly straight, but again, part of the charm of handmade gifts is they're not perfect. So this kit, it comes with way more than what I put in here, I will say that. I just wanted to leave plenty of room for her to put pictures in and things like that. So I love the different pictures. I've used a lot of the same pages over again. These are 2 little sideways tags and tag holders. So I tried not to put things on the pages that were decorative. Excuse me, my voice, it's dry here in Colorado. And I used a lot of these pages. She has ones with lines, ones that are not lined, and I used those on the back. So it comes with all kinds of cute things. I mean, this could be a tuck spot or added to a page. Tags, and then I love these booklets. So this, you could put 2 pictures inside of here or write down some, memory ideas. Again, this, you can put pictures all over it. This actually has another set of stickers that can be used. You can cut these out and glue them. Cute little tags, a couple of journaling cards, that and that. And then there's some other tags. Now, I'm not sure she's going to know what to do with these, but it makes it interactive, and that is kind of the part that I like about it. There are envelopes, so if I can get this off, there we go. There are envelopes. So this one has, I put this card in it. I think I have the wrong card in it, but that's okay. It looks really super cute in here. And then also, it comes with tickets, and I used my Tim Holtz, it's like a scoring kind of thing. I'm not sure how you would describe it. I'm sure there's a name for it. If I think of it, I'll put it in the description box below. So I simply clip the tickets on one side. No, wait, let's turn this around. I clip the tickets on this side, and there we go. So I clipped all these together, and she can see these later. And then there's these triple loaded pockets too. So this is actually a trifold that I used, and another tag, another journaling. Oh, this is just an envelope. So those pictures actually would fit neatly inside these envelopes. This one is a open, I didn't put a lot of pages inside of it because I felt they worked better as singles. And then here's another tag. Let's go second signature. This is a really cute tuck spot. Now this could get glued down, or at least glued along the edges, and it says Little Love. However, I chose to simply tuck some things in here. Now this could have been glued on here, but this also could be glued on a different page. And this is another one of those tag books that I love. And then on the other side, we have a few more things tucked in here. I have a tall tag and this teddy bear. And again, the round teddy bear could go another place in the book if you wanted. Plenty of writing space here or putting pictures. I love that there's some of these kinds of pages included as well. This is again another tag page with the matching envelopes. Another one of these tuck spots. And again, I just used a paper clip instead of gluing it down along the edge, because then it can come off or it can be moved someplace else. And last signature has one of these triple loaded pockets, so I just tucked all kinds of things in here. Oh, isn't that adorable? Different cards, different tags. This is another one of the fold out places that you could tuck things in or write a memory. And then more tags. These could even be used as bookmarks to bookmark important things that she wants to remember. Again, more of the stamps, or not stamps, tickets. So these are adorable. And another envelope. This one, I can't remember if I put anything in it or if I left this one empty. We'll take a look real quick. Yep, this one has something in it as well. This one has the little giraffe, and it goes with all the decorative stuff. So we're going to simply tuck that back on there and put this back here and put all of this together. And we have a couple of more pockets that I have crammed full of stuff. There's another one of those for, like I said, you could do all kinds of things with it. This is another one of those envelopes. It's called a coin envelope. So this is a coin envelope. And a couple of other decorative pieces, tags, cards, journal cards. Another loaded pocket with more sayings. A little mini one. This one is Great Adventure Awaits because we live in Colorado, and hopefully they will come visit us in the mountains. And another, this is a set of 4. This could have been made into a notepad. I've left these loose instead of putting them all together because they can be moved around as well. And another one of these cards. Now, these you could actually cut apart if you wanted to make them more into journal cards instead of using them as little notebooks or extra little things that are tucked in here. Like I said, this kit came with so much stuff. And so I actually had to pick and choose what all I did. I certainly did not put all the pockets in that came with this set. And down to the last couple of pages. And then I've left it blank on the back. I will add my Country Morning Creations little book sticker that goes there before I send this off. And that's the back. So these actually are not on the same one, but I liked that they both had the stars. So that is why I did it that way. So I hope you've enjoyed this flip through. If you are interested in grabbing this kit for yourself, I will put the link below to Stephanie's My Porch Prints Etsy shop. Follow her on Instagram. She has tons of gorgeous printables. And I hope you've enjoyed this flip through. I hope I've inspired you to be creative today.